Hello everyone, today we're going to solve set 10 problems 13 and 14. Problem 13. When painting the lounge, Jack used half of a 3-liter can to complete the first coat of paint. Jack then used 2/3 of what was left to complete the second coat. How much paint was left after both coats were complete? Now, Jack used half of a 3-liter can, so that means Jack used 1.5 liters. 3 times 1/2. Yep. So meaning there are 1.5 liter remaining. And then Jack used 2/3 of what was left. So Jack used 2/3 of 1.5 liters, meaning one third of 1.5 liter was left. That means 0.5 liters were left, and 0.5 liters is equal to 500 milliliters. So B is the correct answer. Problem 14. Each side of an isosceles triangle is a whole number of centimeters. Its perimeter has length 20 centimeters. How many possibilities are there for the length of its sides? So I'm going to say the length of the two equal sides of the isosceles triangle as A. So the length is going to be A centimeters. Since the triangle has perimeter 20 centimeters, the third side will have the length 20 minus 2A centimeters. Since this must be a positive length, 20 minus 2A centimeters should be greater than 0, so A should be less than 10. And in a triangle, the length of one side must be less than the sum of the length of the two other sides. So if I make that into an equation, we're going to have 20 minus 2A is going to be smaller than 2A. And this gives us 20 is smaller than 4A, so A is greater than 5. Now we have, if we combine these two inequalities, we have A as greater than 5 and smaller than 10. So therefore, because A is a whole number, as written in the question, the 4 possible values for A are 6, 7, 8, and 9. So there are 4 possibilities for the sides of the triangle. So D is the correct answer. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you again. Bye.